Just when you were about to make your payment for online bookings, Photoshop, AliExpress, eBay, Canva Pro, and many others, then you became stranded simply because in the payment options, you can only use card. And you using card, you got to realize that you don't actually have a card with you, and there's no any mobile money option for you to make this particular payment. Then you became stranded. A lot of us go through this day in, day out simply because we don't actually have card in order to access online payments. I'm going to give you something interesting, or a card that you can use in order to solve all these particular issues when it comes to making payments online and also subscription. And the interesting part of this particular card is that you can use 18 cryptocurrencies in order to top this particular card up, and also you can use MasterCard or Visa card in order to top it up. I've been on these particular payment and systems, and I've never seen a card that you can use 18 different cryptocurrencies in order to top it up, especially when it comes to virtual cards. The name of this particular card is PST, Pay Store Transfer. PST is a virtual card that you can use to make any online payments and also subscription. And it actually comes with a lot. It comes with payment, it can also comes with you storing, and also it can come with you transferring. With this particular card, it has some interesting features. You can register with the card either via Google, Telegram, or even WhatsApp. And the most interesting aspect of this particular card is that they run giveaways almost every week when you are using this particular card. So if you are a user of this particular card, you may be lucky in one of the weeks to win a massive giveaway for yourself. With this card, they want to make sure that in your first user experience, you are able to have a fun aspect of it. So because of that, when you are making your first deposit and also your first withdrawal, it comes at no cost. It's free of charge, especially when you are using it for the first time. So if you've watched me to this particular extent, the question you may be asking right now is that, so Hamda, how do I get this particular card? So it's easy for you to get this particular card to run any payment. So just head over to either your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store. So when you go to your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, search for pst.net. So pst.net. So once it comes, if you haven't downloaded the app, then you just click on download. So it will load and download. So when you download it, then you click on open. So if you click on open, if you are using an iPhone, you can continue to register with your Apple ID, or just go ahead to continue with Google. So once you continue with Google and it comes, you just click on, then sign in. So when you sign in, at the end of the day, this is the interface of the card. This is how the app looks like. This is the interface. So if you are a first time user, what I want you to do is that click on issue card. So you click on issue card, and when it comes, you have to go through the KYC process. That is, you need to upload your Ghana card if you are from Ghana. Then you also have to go through facial verification, and also you need to submit your selfie in order for them to verify you before you can be issued with a card. So when you are issued with a card, then you can start using this particular card. And the interesting aspect, like I said, for your first deposit and also your first withdrawal, it comes at no charge. And one other thing too that a lot of people or a lot of users can also benefit is that this particular app or this particular PST virtual card has a referral link. So if you have a company of friends, let's say you have about 15, 20 to 30 friends, then you feel like they need this particular virtual card, then you can click on the referral option, copy the link, then send it to them, and you'll be able to get 90% exchange fee and 30% card issuance, and also 10% top up on each and every referral that you've made. So let's assume that you have about 20 friends and you've referred them to also use this particular virtual card to make any online payment, meaning you are going to receive a massive cashback, and also you are going to receive free exchange fee in your name. So it's very good if you are using this particular card and also refer it to other people. And this is just the interesting news I have for you today. If you really like the video and you want to use this particular card, let me know in the comment section. And also, what are some of the things you actually look up to? And also, my name is Hamda, as usual, your financial analyst. If you really like it, kindly consider to subscribe, and let's meet at the top, because the bottom is too crowded.